if you're looking for a coding accepted car, this is a car for you. Good morning, good morning, good morning. This is Kuya Godarzi Podcast, and today we're buying this car, a 2023 na Kicks, no? This is the hybrid ng Nissan. Let's check it, sariwa pa. And the client's already inside. We're gonna pay already, no? Final inspection na lang siguro later. But we already went to the showroom. Check na mga head mechanic natin. Hindi lang yung Spartan, yung head mechanic natin si Tatay Vic. Shoutout kay Tatay Vic. So we're gonna buy this car. We're gonna go inside the back para at least safe tayo palagi. I always tell people, either house, or dealer. Yan, halika, pasok tayo. Okay, so nabili na natin yung kotse, no? So it's in very, very fresh condition. We already paid. Dito yung manual, documents are here. The like says, well, the private, no? So di natin sama sa vlog. And nakakatuwa kasi I bought this car because of the vlog. So nakita niya yan, fresh pa nung loob. Diyan yung mga gamit natin. So pagpasensyahan nyo na. Let's check the inside. Ito si sir. Pauwi na. Okay, bye-bye. Eh, naka-hybrid din siya. Hybrid naman na Toyota Cross. Bye, sir. Okay, let's check the inside. Ang hybrid kasi, especially this Kicks, no? Magugulat ka, sobrang tahimik. Okay, mileage is only 25,000, no? Very, very low for a 3-year-old car. So, sobrang tahimik siya, no? Minsan nga, di mo alam na gumagana na yung kotse. Kaya you have to be... sanay ka. Na-check naman na ito sa showroom. So, just final inspection lang tayo. I think yung tires, I will replace siguro yung harap. Pero okay pa naman. Okay. Engine is fantastic, actually. No signs of any collision. So, I'm very happy with the car. So, 25,000 mileage, 2023 hybrid. A Nissan Kicks. If you're looking for a coding accepted car, this is a car for you. We have a lot at the showroom now, especially magkataas yung gasolina, sabi nila. So having a hybrid and hybrid na matipid na kotse is very, very essential for our driving needs, especially if you don't want a coding, ayaw mo mahuli for coding. So this is coding accepted also. Kahit black plate siya, kasi lumabas ito pa yung mga sinaunang, mga first release, not naman sinauna, first release na hybrid. It has black plates, but the enforcers naman are aware that this is a hybrid car. And in the CR, it actually says hybrid. Woo! So no problem. And educated naman na yung mga enforcers sa Metro Manila. So they know this is a hybrid car. So anyway, my name is Kuya Godarzi, your favorite car trader. If you want to buy cars, want to sell cars, have a beautiful day, guys.